My role on this hīkoi is, I guess I'm sort of the second or third in command. I'm sort of the outdoors facilitator, pretty much a guide, and just teaching everyone about whatever I can think of. A lot about our ancestors, bring them out to a lot of different places and talk about a lot of different things, from plants to animals to archaeological sites, geology, yeah, everything.
Oh, Kahu's been good, yeah, he's got so much knowledge. Yeah, it's just endless.
Yeah, it's mean. He's really funny, really cool guy, and his knowledge is just endless. It's amazing.
The way I see it is Te Ara Whakatipu is focused on getting our young people out into the bush, leadership, showing them leadership outside of the classroom, and really connecting a lot of our young people together. A lot of the whānau we have on these trips, you know, either aren't really connected or don't really know much about their Māori side, and it's really good to bring them all together.
It's more just getting into it, just giving it your all. And the thing is, I thought I'd be judged, or it would be harder, or I'd just be pushed out, but no, everyone's real welcoming. Honestly, this is the only way to learn.
Because we do so many activities where you're sort of forced to connect back, and you do mihi, so you learn about that side of things. So yeah, it really gets you back.
So it goes anywhere between sort of 7, 8, 9 days, and so we walk in the Hollyford. It's about a 20k walk on the first day, and of course we're stopping and talking about all different things from botany, human history, a lot of that. And then throughout the week we work on sort of Māori pronunciations. We learn our mihi, our whakapapa, we learn a haka song, and then of course everything to go with that. So all of our ancestral things and pretty much whatever we can jam pack into a week and a bit, really.
For me, one of my main highlights was making the hinaki, the tuna trap. It was just really cool to sort of get a hands-on sort of experience of what our tipuna used to do. And going into the forest and collecting all the resources we need to make that.
Oh, it's all a highlight, but like there's some things that stick out, like seeing some of those big old 700-year-old trees and everything. And yeah, going for a dip in the water, yeah, it's pretty nice. So yeah.
We made flax basket thingies. We like weaved the flax, and that was real good. Like I thought it was going to be nice and easy, but it actually was quite tricky, and it was a nice challenge. And when we went and saw the penguin, went round to the seal colony or whatever you called it, there was a yellow-crested penguin. Came right up real close to us.
I reckon the people are some of the coolest, and also the boating. I love the boating, it's quite cool. I find it pretty fun.
It's definitely such a good experience, and you learn a lot from it, so yeah, I would recommend it.
Yeah, definitely. Even if you're like not too sure about it like I was, even if you're shy, just go for it, because I've gotten a lot out of it. So I think that you'd regret it if you didn't take it.
Pretty special, eh? Like knowing that the track we walked in on Monday was the track that our ancestors walked, and that they were there, that's pretty cool. Yeah.